Good morning. Hi, my daughters. Come pack with me. So this morning, I went to the supermarket and I pick up my son grocery. He send him list. So you know a mother job never done, right? Him send him list. So let's show you. Me pack grocery for him to send overseas. Look what I pack. Anyway, him ask ya a little blender so him can make him smoothie, because you know one thing with them get a lot of fruits and a lot of vegetable. So him no need that because him get a lot of that over there. So me just get him a little, blender, something quick for blend up him morning smoothie. Him haven't been drinking any tea, so me buy a little electric kettle. Well, me and the girls then make up and buy things for him. So what I'm going to do is go to the post office and get a box, like a flat rate box, and pack everything in and ship it overseas. You want a little bowl and a spoon. Hey, gangster life. You want my toothpaste and you want some toothbrush. You want a teacups and can bring in tea. You love oatmeal. So I get him 3 bags of Fox, and he said no other oats but Fox oats. That's what he grew up on. He grew up on this and I think I'm gonna need another box. I think I'm gonna need another bag. Yeah, for sure. But this is Vanilla Lasco. The family size. I think I hear my phone. Oh, it's not. Okay, so I'm gonna pack this. So this is full. The same one, Bigfoot. So this is Bigfoot. Nikki? Hello? What's up, hon? Me done me get a call, so I'm take a break. Anyway, Bigfoot. He say I want Bigfoot, so me get Bigfoot. Yeah, so that's 3. Okay, I guess I only buy 4 Bigfoot. I buy some plantain chips. Yeah. Plantain chips. Okay, so then we have to full up the box. Buy Bam Bam, so you can have a little chocolate every now and then. Yeah, my police button. And then also the police button. Okay. I know some did like sausage, so buy 4 sausage. chips. And on my way, I'm going to stop at the supermarket because I'm asking a few more things. So, yeah, these are vanilla Lasco family size. Alright. Okay. So, everything else in there, I'm going to stop at the supermarket and grab a few more things that him asked for. And then I'm going to go to the post office and send off the box and reach at the post office. Me do a little video showing how me pack the box, because they have a box at the post office where one of them brown box where you can put everything in there and just ship it off to them. So see you at the post office. And look what I almost leave is Irish Spring. That's what I'm saying one. So as I'm heading to the post office, their large box at the post office could not hold everything. So I have to go back to the supermarket and get a bigger box. What's the slimmer? So this is the post office large box, and it can't hold everything. You can see everything there. It can't hold them. So I have to go back and get this big box over here. And then I got the post office now, go pack it. You see? Mama's boy. I totally forgot to show you the video when I'm packing the box in the post office. Oh God. I forgot. Just finished, because you know I have to fill out custom papers and etc. This take up my time. I'm a DM, I have so much more to do. And the day almost done. Mama's boy. Take up my whole day today. I have to go back at the supermarket and they didn't want additional stuff. And then when I come at the post office and buy the box wasn't big enough. The large box what them have wasn't big enough. So I ended up I have to go back at the supermarket, go get a box. And I have to come back. Oh God. It was a lot. Come back and pack it and have to join line. Then when you give them the stuff, you have to go fill out custom papers. You know, so it take up my time. And down here, so this post office here, so ever full. So it take up hours of my day today. But Uncle Mama's boy get me do all of this. Only Mama's, I mean, we do it for people still, but man, take up my day, man. Jesus. Get nothing done from morning. Nothing else. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I forgot. Just forgot. They're on your brain. Oh, I forgot to face show no parking up in that market. Yeah. When you put the overseas, you miss them. You know, you have to show them say you're there and you care. It's all about that, you know. You have to show them say you're there and you care. You know, when you have a bond with your children and a certain bond, you don't lose that, whether if them around you or not. You know? Now go home now, go get something to eat and just do some work inside the house. Adios.